Well, it's time to figure this out. What's the deal, everybody? I'm having a heck of a time with these cameras here lately. I just filmed me setting up my little rinky-dink sprinkler system up here, and I had the camera backwards the entire time. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to go back and check, but I'm gonna have to get this thing configured, figure out what I need to do to get them running right. This one's not turning, so I've definitely got to work on that one. This one's doing okay. They just don't have any range because we're so far from the house. I've got to get them configured so that it'll cover as much of the plants as possible. Well, let's see what I can figure out with these real quick. Sprinklers ain't really my thing. How to get everybody but the tomatoes water. I'm gonna have to figure something out for that. But now let's figure out why this one's not even turning. That one fell down. Oops, I got to drive that in the ground more. Now we got too soft. I think we've got it about as figured out as we're going to get for right now. We barely have the water pressure to run these two. I'm probably going to just drop the hose up there at some point, probably this evening, and just have it running just straight down, because this is all downhill, so I should be able to irrigate this section right here without too much trouble. But the potatoes and the corn were my main concerns for watering over here. And that corn's looking pitiful, and I know corn's a heavy feeder, so I reckon we're going to see the difference between this getting watered and this little patch right here not. It's a little downhill from this, so I'm hoping that we'll have a little run down and take care of it. Bananas should benefit from it rather well, so it should be all right. We'll see what we get. Had just enough hose to do it, and that's all my old scrap hose. So got this one watered, that one's watered. All I got to do left is water the goats and the chickens, and that'll be good to go. But yeah, got a little going on today. Still not feeling great. I wanted to prep another garden up there. That's my porous soil. I may take the tiller up there and work on that some today. I don't know. I need to mow, which is going to be fun, but all these extra hoses running around, so I got to figure that out too. I do have that leak down there in that hose that I need to address. I'm pretty sure I've got the couple to fix it, so that shouldn't be that big of a deal. Got a little musk turtle up visiting, hanging out right now. And these guys are little bitty, just so you can see. That's an adult, probably up here. I'm moving around, either from the pond or wanting to lay eggs. Like I said, I'm always in all of our nature around here. I like these little guys, except when you're fishing. They're annoying when you fish. Yeah, see you later, buddy. I'm just trying to get some work done. I'm about to get over here in water. So let me get started with that. Yeah, but as you can see from that is my biggest issue, is remembering to water everything. I'm terrible about it. Got to get better at that. Probably eventually going to need some sort of timer drip irrigation set up. One of them little bitty potatoes done shot up a sprout. All right, I'm gonna check on this little guy here. We had a mama hen that hatched some babies, and then she just left the nest. And this little guy was getting chewed on by fire ants. So we've got him in his own little incubator right now. And she left about a dozen eggs as well. I mean, he's doing better, but he is far from perfect. And the little eye is a little swollen. I think fire ants got that side. This side looks okay. But he wasn't cleaned or dried properly, so he's kind of tacky looking. I'm gonna keep him in here. The rest of the day I've got my brooder set up over there, and we'll go from there. And I got all of his sibling eggs I'll be candling tonight. Let's see how they're doing. We're just trying to help them out and see if we can keep them alive. Not a whole lot else going on in here. Summertime is kind of the time of neglecting my sunroom. I need to go through it. Oh yeah, I can't show you all this. Like I said, I do show the failures, and we're having one. Just about everything in here is dying for some reason. I don't know. I had this avocado look like it was thriving, and then it just gave up. So I don't know. Just kind of keeping a watch and see if we have any potential. I mean, that one is still alive, but everything else looks pretty bad. So I'm just going to keep an eye on it and see if we get any sprouts. It doesn't look like it right now. The rest of my day is probably going to be cutting grass. I need to cut grass again. But just figured I'd show y'all what I was working on this morning. Hope y'all enjoy. Well, actually, yeah, let me show you. It looks pretty pitiful. You saw me watering. But that is the pea experiment. This is what I feared, is I wasn't going to water them fast enough. I need to remember to water them daily. They're just not thriving. Some of the pots look really good, like the one on the corner over there looks really good. But most of them don't look good at all. I just got to remember to water them more frequently. But again, hope you all have a good one. Wado for watching.